Hello guys, welcome back. I am at Lowe's. Look at those beautiful flowers, guys. They are $22.98. Oh my god. They are beautiful. Look at this. This is the name of that one. It's a mix of different color, but they are beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. And of course, they got these flowers right there. I believe this is a perennial, not perennial, annual. Yes, flowers, $8.98 for colorful flowers, plums. Beautiful. And sun patient right here, right there. This is a sun patient. Let me see. Yeah, no. Let me see. Yep. $6.98. Oh my god, they got different color. They got the white and they got the fuchsia right here. It's beautiful. Except guys, this Lowe's don't put stuff in sale. Look at how bad those hydrangeas are. And $40. They still in the front right here. And of course, more eye biscuits right here, $17.98. They got a big tree right here. And more of those. What are you? Juniper. 115. Nice blooms. It's a nice tree. Look at those little seed on her. They're beautiful. And they have a lot. I don't know why. I want to go to this one, check this color out. I'm waiting for them to put this one on sale. I like the color. Let me see. This is a green giant arborvitae, $64. And let me see how tall she can be. Oh, shush, very tall. That's too tall, but I like the color. I like the color. If they put them on sale, that would be like 30 something dollars. I will get all of them. And they've been here for a long time. Long time. I'm waiting, guys. When I'm ready, maybe I will ask them, you guys want to mark them down? They're really beautiful. I like this color. Look at this. Look at this. You see the yellow color contrast with the green one. Beautiful. Really nice. And how many they got? 2, 4, 6. They got my numbers right there. Oh my god. Beautiful stuff. And of course they got more thing right here. But guys, I am going, and they got this one. Look at this one. $17. Those one can make some nice edge in the garden, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.